Okay, so it's just a couple of days now before the race around West Yorkshire 2026 with Forget-Me-Not Children's Hospice. We're all getting really excited, and I thought it'd be a great time to just bring a few of our teams in, or the teams taking part in this competition, and just see how they're feeling about the race. Okay, so I'm delighted to have Ronnie and Seamus here from FMG. We've got Emma and Ieva here with us today. Hi Liz.
Hi.
Great to have you here today with us. James and Stephen from Muslin Hall Garage, AFP Digital, Ben and Joseph. And what's your team name then from FMG?
FM Geezers.
FM Geezers, well you are, you're a pair of geezers, aren't you? Obviously, that's brilliant.
Yeah, we're the Radcliffe Road Runners, inspired by the 80s cartoon.
Aero 404, team not found.
Team not found, brilliant, great idea.
It's still Lost in West Yorkshire.
Why is it still West Yorkshire?
Well, last year it was Lost in West Yorkshire, and I think this year we might still do it Lost in West Yorkshire.
Oh yeah, of course, you did it last year as well, so that's brilliant. What attracted you to taking part in this year's race around West Yorkshire 2026?
Well, a few people did it last year that we know, don't we? And then I think it just came up on like a newsletter and we were just like, go on then.
I had no idea about this, but Emma came in and she roped me into doing it, and I'm really excited. It's a good charity.
I think what inspired me initially was my husband is actually from London, so he has got no idea about Yorkshire.
Mainly because it's kids in it. It's to help sick kids, and anything we can do to that. I'm a dad of two myself, so anything we can do to
Not only is it a brilliant charity and fantastic for the families concerned, but it's also something I was involved in last year and slightly involved this year. So I really thought it was a really good challenge to do.
What's your strategy for reaching the checkpoints then?
Wing it.
We'll see how we get on.
We're not going to bribery. We're not going to do any cheating. We're going to try and do it, make most of the day, because we had a really good time last year, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we had
a great day. So
a lot of nice sights, and we travelled on
the
a lot
buses and the train.
I think I learned a lot from the winning team last year. I'd say I'm the one that will be saying this is what we're doing. Yes.
Between the two of you, then, who do you think's the strongest team member?
You do more running, don't you?
Yeah, I do a bit of running, to be fair.
But you're missing some upstairs.
Yeah. So we both complement each other well, actually.
Yeah. So one of you's got the fitness, the other one's got the brains.
Yeah.
We just work well together, don't we?
Yeah.
I'm the strongest.
He's the strongest.
It's not. It's teamwork, isn't it?
Yeah, it's teamwork. That's what counts.
Together,
we're the best.
Yeah.
Or not, actually.
You've done this race before, I believe.
We have, yes. We did it last year and it was an amazing event, and all of the teams really got into the event. All of the public that we met really supported us on the journey throughout West Yorkshire.
I believe you've got a very special announcement tonight as well.
Yes, we have. So last year we did very well with the fundraiser. I think we got over £2,000, wasn't it?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
So we said if we get to £1,500, we're going to do it as Batman and Robin.
You make a great Robin. You know what I mean?
Well, this is the discussion. Who's going to be Batman and Robin? So we've had that discussion.
We've had that. There's no way.
We've also said if anyone wants to sponsor anything more than £1,500, we can potentially then go as what they choose.
No.
Oh, you're getting carried away.
Cut that one,
Yeah. So do you think you've got what it takes to win?
Absolutely. Get out.
We'll go with this confidence.
Come on, absolutely.
Have you got a fundraising page as well?
Yeah, we've got one. Just Giving page. The link will be below.
Yes. Absolutely. It's in the link below.
Yes, I think if you click in the link below in this comment, you'll be able to get to that, and hopefully, we can get some funds for that.
Well, I wish you both all the best. I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you succeed and maybe even win if you can.
We'll try. We'll try.
Most of all, hope you have a great day out, and thank you again for supporting this amazing charity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Cheers.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Cheers.